Hello and welcome to the CSR Journal's weekly news highlights, where we bring you the latest updates on India's most impactful stories. Here are this week's top 3 news you can't miss. India has made it to the top 10 in a list of 63 countries assessed for their efforts to combat climate change as per the Climate Change Performance Index 2025. Despite a drop of 2 spots from last year, India's low per capita emissions and rapid renewable energy deployment kept it among the highest performers. The report highlights that the first 3 spots remain vacant, signaling no country achieved a very high rating. Meanwhile, Denmark, the Netherlands and the UK lead the index, with India and the UK being the only high-performing G20 members. The Central Consumer Protection Authority or CCPA is drafting new guidelines to curb the misuse of CSR campaigns for surrogate advertising of restricted products like alcohol and tobacco. The draft rules will impose penalties of up to 50 lakh rupees on celebrities and influencers promoting such products indirectly. While genuine brand extensions will be permitted, companies must prove the legitimacy of these products. The guidelines aim to strike a balance between preventing misleading ads and allowing genuine CSR efforts by companies. India and Australia have strengthened their collaboration by forming a renewable energy partnership during a recent G20 meeting in Brazil. The framework includes cooperation on solar energy, green hydrogen, and energy storage, among other sectors. Both nations aim to boost trade and create jobs under the Made in India and Future Made in Australia initiative, with mutual trade increasing by 40% post the 2022 Economic Cooperation Trade Agreement. This partnership signifies a shared vision for a sustainable and secure Indo-Pacific region. Thank you for watching. Follow the CSR Journal for more such updates every week.